Okay, this video is about the 512 stroker that I built for this car. When I purchased it, I had gotten a 440 block that was machined and ready to go. And there's no way I was building a stock motor with a hot cam. I've done that, okay? This is not going to be a boring car, no way. So contacted 440 Source and gave them the specs of the car, basically told them what I wanted to do with the car. So we came up with a game plan, the 512 stroker kit. Purchased that. Also decided to go with a roller cam. This will be my first roller cam, so let's cross our fingers that I have no problems with the lifters. And even if I do, I'll figure it out. I'll fix it. So, stroker kit, new cam, okay. These are the things I already had, okay. I have a great set of heads for that, which are Trick Flow 240s. One of the best heads you can get for a Mopar. So, heads. Intake manifold, single plane, M1, great intake. We'll see how that works out with this car, with the size and the weight of it. So, 6LA, MSD 6LA box, MSD billet distributor. Reached out to a carburetor company called ATM and explained what I was doing with this. He came up with a double pumper, which they built for this specific engine. So they were very good. I highly recommend them. As for now, once I get the car running, we'll see how that goes. But for some reason, I think it's going to be great. So one weekend I decided to bring everything up to my brother-in-law's garage. Figured there would be a lot of people up there, and you know what? They've built engines before, so I felt confident. Got up there on a Friday night. My friend Joe was helping out. Decided to, clean the block, assemble the pistons to rods, which had spiral locks, and everything I read about that, you usually get bloody fingers. But guess what? It kind of was easy after one or two. Well, Joe, you know what happened. So ended up assembling that, put it to the side, file fit the rings, and installed the crank bearings, rear main seal. Hopefully that won't leak. Chryslers are notorious for that. So assembled the block, put the pistons in, and guess what? Everything went great. So awesome. Then I went home, told my wife how great it was so excited. Next morning I woke up and was looking at the pictures with a grin on my face, and then I realized it. Made a major mistake. The pistons in this block actually have reliefs cut in for the valves, intake, exhaust. Bigger for the intake, smaller for the exhaust. You'll notice any eagle eye person would actually realize that I put the friggin' pistons in rotated. Crushing. Was crushing. Went back up there Saturday, took the engine apart, brought the pistons and rods back to the house, sat there that night at the kitchen table and figured I was going to have bloody fingers and not a happy camper. But to my surprise, me and my wife actually figured it out, and within 45 minutes everything was fixed. Loaded it up next day, went back up there and assembled the engine for the second time. So it's now sitting there, and basically what I'm doing is I'm going to finish up some work on this, finish the firewall, bring it down here, install it, get it running, seat the rings, hopefully figure out any issues with it, and then basically pull it back out, put it to the side until I'm finished with the car. Hopefully you like the pictures, you like the content. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, which will be a second part 2 to that quarter panel, the passenger side quarter panel. Oh my God. Whoa, wait a minute. Merch. It's coming. I will be doing hats and t-shirts. Now, all merch purchased, the funds will be going to the channel and to actually help with this build. So hopefully you want to become a whack ass and make a purchase. Anyway, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.